Leo? Leo? Where are you, Leo? Hey, Suresh! Suresh, have you seen Leo?
Leo? I don't know. He must be roaming around here. Wait, I saw Leo with Ram. Let me ask him.
Yes, please.
Hey Ram, you playing with Leo now? He's not around here. Dubey is looking for him.
Alia.
Alia?
Ask Alia.
Okay, can you go and ask her?
Please ask Alia.
I guess you don't want to move from there. Okay. Hey Alia, Ram said Leo is with you. Is he around here?
Yes, I mean he was with me a while ago, but I also saw Rohit shouting at him. Maybe he just went there, yeah, with him.
Oh, you know what? Can you go and ask Rohit? I have a meeting now.
Sure thing. I'll go check with him. No problem. Hey Rohit.
Hey, Yasmin, tell me.
Suno na Rohit, Leo is not to be seen. He was with you, right? No? Yes? Ruby is really worried, yeah.
Yes, I had called for him, but then he didn't come. I don't know where he went. Or maybe he went to Danny, Niyati's dog. Yeah, you should check with Niyati and Danny.
Faisal, क्या मतलब? How can he be with Danny, yeah? कुछ भी बोलते हो आप? I know you were calling out for him, right?
No, actually, I just thought. But then you know what? You can check with Rahul. Maybe it's with him. He wanted to play with Leo for a long time. Maybe he's with him. Just go check. Yeah.
सुनो ना प्लीज आप एक बार चेक कर लो ना कहाँ है प्लीज यार प्लीज गो चेक आउट फॉर हिम ना
All right, I'll go. All right, bye. Hey, you're sleeping, man. You're sleeping. Wow. Dude, Rahul, get up here. Get up, no. Hey, stop dreaming, yeah, Rahul. Get up. Ruby's worried. Get up. Get up, man. Dude, get up, man. Ruby needs us. He's so worried. Where is Leo? Is he with you here? Is he with you? Are you cuddling with him like a pillow? Dude, get up, man. Ruby's so worried.
The fuck, dude? Why will I know where Leo is, man? Spoiled my sleep, yeah. Fuck.
Dude, get up.
I don't know, man. He's probably checked with this Divya person. No.
Oh God. Doesn't look like he's going to get up, man. I have to tell him something very shocking so he does get up. Idea.
Go check with Divya, yeah. Off.
Dude, no. I'm not going to her. Check. You are going. You're the one who's sleeping. Get up from the bed, okay? Soon it's 11 in the morning. You're still sleeping like a vegetable. Get up. You know what? Ruby broke his legs. He slipped from the stairs. He broke his legs. He needs us. You have to wake up. Wake up for OP. Come on, Rahul. You can do it. Wake up. Get up.
Oh. Okay.
Hey Divya, can you check where Leo is now?
What?
You heard me. Just return to his Leo.
Are you blind? Can you see him anywhere here? And you don't have your eyes even open.
I'm sleepy, dude. Just return his dog. No. Ruby slipped from his stairs looking for him. And he also has got a fever and stuff. Yeah.
What, yeah? What is your problem? I don't understand. How many times do I have to tell you? I already told you once. And please don't disturb me again.
Hey, Piyush.
Hey Rahul.
Good to see you, man. did I come here for? Oh yes. Can you check where Leo is? I really have no clue where he is.
Who? Leo? What's up, man? You look drunk. Leo, I think he might be with Kranti's son Adi because he wanted to play with Leo. Would you please go and check with her? Meanwhile, what I can do is let me post it on the chat group and see if someone finds him in the lost and found. Okay?
You go and check, no please. Like I'm extremely sleepy right now. Doobie fell from his chair or something or some stair somewhere, and then he's just he's got fever also. It seems or something. Just please check. I don't know what's going. Ugh.
Oops. Let me check with Kranti. Hey, Kranti, did you?
Shh, finish. Slowly. Adi just left.
Okay.
Tell me.
Did you see Leo?
Yes.
Where?
Adi was playing with him. Now he just went to play with Danny near this dog.
Who? Adi?
No, Ray, Abba, Leo.
Oh, okay, my bad. Can you please get Leo to Doobie? I think he jumped off his floor or something looking for Leo.
Okay, I'll ask you.
That would be great. Thank you.
Hey, Niti. Hey, Kranti. Nice dog, yeah. Is Leo with you? Doobie has been looking for him and he is very worried about Leo. I heard that he has fallen off from his balcony and broken his bones.
God, how did that happen? Oh my God, matlab kaise? Yeah, me, Leo, Shweta, we were playing in the garden today and Shweta took Leo to her house to take some pictures, to do some photo shoot. I'll just call her up and I'll just check with her.
Thanks, Niti. Hey, Shutki.
Hey, Shweta.
Listen, I happened to meet an 8 on 10 yesterday. I was thinking I should set you up on a date with him.
Actually, not an 8, Shweta. 10 on 10. If you find somebody 10, then call me. Otherwise, not an 8. Hey, by the way, Doobie has fractured his ribs and is now bedridden. He was looking for Leo desperately. I told him that he is with you. And please, like, even if your photo shoot is not done, please return Leo back to Doobie. Because, he is really worried.
Oh, really? That's so sad. I've been telling Doobie to get rid of that stupid water dye. See what happened to him now. And what photo shoot? Shruti just stormed into my geosphere and beamed out with Leo. She didn't even let me touch Leo for a minute.
So David is with Goliath now.
Let me talk to Shruti. She's just in the next room. Bye.
Hey, wait, people. I have someone knocking at the door. Don't know who's that. Hey, who's that?
Hey Shruti, it's me.
Hey, Shweta, I'm in a meeting right now. I really can't open the door, yeah.
That's okay. You don't have to open the door to talk to me. Listen, can I take Leo back? Doobie is in a miserable state with fractured ribs and he's bedridden right now. He needs help from us.
Hey folks, I'm really sorry. I'll have to connect back. Something really went wrong with my visa. Oh my God, what happened to Doobie here? Poor Doobie. I'm so mad with this guy here. Rupesh just came, Leo just jumped with him. Leo is not with me. The minute he came, he just jumped over to Rupesh and he went off. Actually, Rupesh was here, getting a new dish and he thought he's Doobie and Leo just jumped over him and he left. Let me call up Rupesh and check, and meanwhile, the first thing I'll do is I'll text Doobie and call the ambulance for him. Okay, I'll get back to you as soon as I can.
That would be great. Keep me posted, okay?
Okay, let me call Rupesh first. Yeah? Let me see where he is.
Hey Shruti, what's up?
Hey Rupesh, how are you? I just wanted to tell you, yeah, Dubi just fell off the stairs and he slipped on his own tears and he just fell off and broke his spine, yeah.
What, Doobie? The guy who keeps running around the whole city like that Forrest Gump guy and doing all those marathons and keep jumping off those cliffs. Him crying? No way.
Yeah, it sounds crazy. I think he's gonna be bedridden at least for 2 years. Yeah, he's worried about Leo. I hope Leo is safe. You just reach out to him quickly. I just wanted to go and meet Dubi ASAP.
Yeah, after Leo came with me, he had a little grub and then after that we played for some time and he slept off. So what I did was I kind of like wrapped him up in a blanket and left him on Dubi's bed.
Thanks, Rupesh. Keep me posted, okay? I'm really worried about him.
Wait, but Doobie was not in his room when I went and left Leo over there. Hold on, let me go check.
And by the way, ambulance is on its way.
Hey, wait. I'll check first and I'll let you know if he needs an ambulance.
Thanks, Rupesh. Keep me posted, okay? I'm really worried about him. Yeah, by the way, the dish is really exciting, really tasty. Yeah. And give me some more of it, yeah? Next time. Okay, bye.
Doobie, are you okay? Shruti just gave me a call.
Am I okay? Well, let's see. My ribs seem to be fine. My eyes are fine for now. My legs seem to be okay too. But I don't know. I mean, I've been getting messages from everyone asking me whether I've jumped off the balcony. Someone said I had a high fever. Somebody else said that I've paralyzed myself and apparently I can't get out of bed. And apparently there's an ambulance coming. I hope you're not here to take me to the ambulance.
Chill, Mama. It's okay. I know how this goes on.
I'm fine, dude. I know Leo is going to be fine with any of you. I just wanted to know where he was.
By the way, did you check in the balcony? Or under your feet? Or somewhere over there? Or, hey, how about the bed?
Oh, yeah, he's right there. All this confusion and Leo is just snuggling up right there in the bed. He won't even know what damage he's caused. I'm so sorry. I didn't realize he was right here all along. Anyway, I certainly need a break. I'm just going to go for a walk with Leo. Thanks, man.